Hi, Melanie here at Bell Camper Sales. Today I'm going to be doing a 360-degree video, so you're welcome to click around and look at some of the features on the motor coach I'm getting ready to share with you. This is a 1985 Holiday Rambler Imperial 33 feet long Class A motor coach that is gas. Does have an onboard generator as well. In this motor coach, there are a couple of little retro features that I like to point out, but in great condition for the year. As you can see, the fabric is in wonderful condition. Your sofa does convert to a sleeping area here. And then you have some a nice couple of rocker swivel chairs on the side here. And in the cockpit, you have your two captain's chairs. This does have 51,000 miles on the odometer. However, the previous owner did have the engine rebuilt about 5,000 miles ago. So still plenty of life in her. It does have two brand new ACs on top as well. So above your captain's chairs, you do have this drop down bunk up here. And then a lot of overhead storage that raise up here. Some lighting and your speakers. Of course, your entryway here, and then your dinette table does convert to sleeping space with some overhead storage here on both sides. Moving on into the kitchen area, you have a fridge, freezer combo, as well as a 3-burner stove and oven, with a microwave and hood vent right above there. You have kitchen with some pull-out drawers, as well as some cabinets underneath the sink. I'm going to move this back so you can see some of these other. Here we go. So back here you do also have an ice maker here in the kitchen area. And on top, this is a new tone, which has different accessories, blender accessories and other things that you can use right here on the counter, which was popular back in the 70s. And then you have some overhead storage here in your kitchen, as well as some under-counter lighting. Okay, we're just resuming the tour here in the bathroom of this motor coach. You do have a tub that's actually deep enough to get in with a bench seat in the back, and your handheld shower wand there and a skylight, as well as your sink and then your foot flush toilet, and 3 overhead cabinets, as well as under the sink. You do have some additional wardrobe storage with drawers here in the hallway. Here we are in the main bedroom of this motor coach. It sits in the rear of this particular floor plan. AC up above with some overhead storage. Enough room to walk around this full-size bed with a few little end tables here with some storage, as well as some cabinets below the bed. And then you have this nice full closed curtain to keep everything private. This is a great unit, still has a lot of miles left and a lot of fun adventures to give. We hope that you'll come see it in person. Just looking for the right person. My name is Melanie. I'm here at Bell Camper. I'd be love to show you what we have to offer. Thanks.